Hi guys, Francois here. Today, video number 14, the results of week 14 after being involved in Questra Holdings. First of all, obviously we know that there's Questra Global Asset Management and then Questra World, two separate compartments of this organization. So first of all, let's just look at and let me log into Questra Atlantic Global Asset Management, where our funds are located. And as you will see here on 9,450, that's my invested amount. If I need to show you just quickly, jump over to the new section. Last week, which ended in May 19, we obtained a profit of 5.62%. Absolutely fantastic stuff. So back to the dashboard. To show you here, I have now resulted in a total of 507 euros for the week. Now that was not all profit. The profit was around about 407 euros because I left 100 euros behind last week, which I did not withdraw. So based on what you see here, I started with 7,421 euros, subsequently have withdrawn 2,991 euros, and currently my portfolio sits at 9,450. Now let me first jump over to Questra World. That is where the recruiting side or the networking side of the opportunity is located. And here you can see I've got Questra points to the tune of 42.76. That just simply means that last week a few members joined my team, and what they did invest in total is 900 euros. Obviously, a commission was derived from that, and I want to now withdraw that commission. So 42.76, I'm simply going to click on that arrow, send the money. 42.76, 42.76 inserted there. Click next. Wait for it to run through. Click next again, I believe. Whoopsie. Next. Yes. And once that has happened, it runs through. You will see that I've now got 0 available here. So I'm simply going to log out here. No more business for us to conduct here. Let's close that tab and go back to Global Asset Management. Refresh this page. And now you will see that that amount of commission has been transported over to this aspect here, where I can now either withdraw that or increase my portfolio. Now, as far as my portfolio is concerned, what you will notice here at the bottom, I've got a yellow and a yellow portfolio. I've got a green and a green portfolio. And then the very first portfolio I started off with, which was the red one. Here you can see the results of my past 14 weeks. And yeah, they just give us a breakdown of the results month by month. So what I want to do right now is I want to go ahead and purchase another yellow portfolio for this week. So I'm simply going to click on buy. It's going to tell me what to do, what the results will be after a certain period of time. I'm clicking purchase. Wait for this to run through. You'll now see that my available amount has been decreased. I've now got 280 euros available. And if I go right down to the bottom once again, you'll now see this is the latest one that I've bought. And I now need to go and manage this particular one. Now, what I mean by manage is just simply either keep the insurance on or put the insurance off. But seeing that I've got free yellow portfolios, I can actually upgrade these free portfolios by clicking on the latest one. Having clicked on the latest one, it will select the free yellow portfolios for me. I'm going to select that one, and then I'm going to upgrade the three of them to green. The reason for this is that I'm reducing the commission that I'm now payable on a weekly basis because of the green portfolio. So by clicking on upgrade, I'm going to confirm that. And the result of that would then be that I now have, as far as my portfolios are concerned, 3 green portfolios and 1 red, which then simply means I can now also upgrade the 3 green portfolios to a higher portfolio. So once again, I select the 3 of them. I log on to the other 2 that I had, and these 3 I'm now going to upgrade to a blue. And as you could have seen, the green portfolios were at 50% commission. Now on this particular blue one, in future I will only pay 24% commission, which simply puts more euros in my pocket, and that's the high incentive for increasing my portfolio. So having done that, I just upgrade the button, confirm, and once that has run through, I will now have 2 portfolios, 1 blue, 1 red. Now I need to manage this portfolio because I would like to not have the insurance aspect on. Here you can see the breakdown of the 25 fund managers, and what I personally like to do is spread my risk through all 25 fund managers and allowing each one of them to only have access to 4% of my funds. Now, as you can see, the red guys last week, they lost money in their trading. The green ones made money, but overall we came out ahead with an excess of 5%. And this has been the case for the last 14 weeks. Absolutely fantastic stuff. So in order to do this, all I need to do is switch off the insurance. Just to double check, I'm going to update. And once I do that, I'm just going to go and check on my portfolio that I have the little green cross there. And that then simply means the job has been done. Okay, so the next aspect of my report back would then be I want to get hold of this $280 which is available. So sorry, not dollars, euros. So in order to do that, I go to account. I'm not going to transfer money, but I'm going to withdraw money. Click on next. I personally like to do it in Bitcoin. My account is in euro, so I'm going to click Bitcoin. Once I click Bitcoin, I'm going next. And I have 280 that I would like to take out. Ooh, 2,800. That would have been fantastic. My Bitcoin address is already inserted there. Back to my wallet. I click next. Once that runs through, I then need to provide a PIN code. Ooh, PIN code. I need to go and fetch off my phone. Excuse me. Where's my phone? This will teach me to keep my phone handy at all times. Right, so let me go to my Google Authenticator. Need to put that in there, find the proper PIN code, which is going to be that one, and that is 612313. And I click next. Right, so now you can see I've only got the 15 cents left. It is now telling me I can perform a new operation, but I'm finished with step 5. And that, guys, is my review on the activity within my back office. Now you can see my portfolio has increased to 9,720. I've actually withdrawn 3,271, and we'll wait about 5 to 6 days for those funds to hit my Bitcoin wallet. Right, now just to finish off on this video, should you would want to join my team, this is what you need to do. Just simply go to the address reflected on the screen or on the bottom portion of this video. This is what you will see. eagertodobusiness.com, foolproof system, make 4 to 6% weekly without recruiting or selling. See the jaw-dropping results of this documented and proven model. Click access. Once you click access, what's going to happen, this screen is going to open up. Insert your email. Once you insert your email, you will get down to a particular page that will give you instant access. Now, I think what I must do is, let me show you this particular page. Because there's some relevant information that you need to know about. Alright, you're going to hit that particular encryption code there just to make sure that you're human. DYHF. Once that happens, submit that. And once you submit that, you will get to a video which is going to explain this whole Questra business to you.
Hello everyone,
This video
Jerome
is
here.
done
Welcome
by Jerome, which is my sponsor out in the United States. Jerome has been busy with this opportunity now for, I think, 39 weeks. And the results for him also has been absolutely phenomenal. Now, once you get to that, obviously all that you need to do is click on the Take Action button should you want to join us. Once you hit the Take Action button, this is the screen that's going to pop up. Now, important aspects of this screen. First of all, make sure you see my name down here, Francois. Your phone number that you're going to insert here is simply your country code, no pluses, minuses, whatever, anything. Country code, your cellular number, your email, and then once you hit the register button, they will, by SMS, short message service, send you a login detail. Then you log in, and once you've logged in, you start filling out your profile. On the profile, you'll find a nickname section. On the nickname section, put your full name in there. Once you've then completed your profile, you've saved that information, updated your password to something that you could remember and know about, please send me an email so that I can forward you our training page so that you would know exactly what to do and how to fund your account and get started with this opportunity as quickly as possible. So guys, that's quite simply my review for this week. Have a fantastic day, have a fantastic week ahead, and looking forward to making you the first profits of this fantastic opportunity called Questra Holdings. Thank you and bye-bye.